Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1928 Underwood Four Bank vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Has a navy blue color, very rare. Behind the carriage are the margins, and you just push them like that and you can move them. I'm going to set this one on 0. This is your left margin, and this one is your right margin. I'm going to set this around 75, which is about the length of a page. And this one only has 2 rollers in the very front of the carriage platen area. So you do have to push the page in a little bit to feed it. And then it should feed right in. And this is the paper bale that sits on top of the page. Holds it down. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the silence switch, switch it back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, there's a switch right here. You just push it down, and that will skip 2 when you hit the line space. We're going to keep it on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. Switch from black to red. There's a switch right here. Get the lighting better. So you got a blue, white, and red square. When you go all the way to the red square, it'll print the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you put it in the middle, it won't print anything at all. Just leaves an indentation for copying purposes. And if you have it on all the way to the left, it prints the top portion of the ribbon. We're going to move it to the back to print the bottom portion of the ribbon. Very nice typing machine. I'm really impressed by this. It's really compact. It's well designed. Underwood made some of the best typewriters of all time. So I really like it. Really rare color. It's pretty and just really good decoration, and you can use it for daily typing as well. Comes with a carrying case. There's 2 screws that go in on the bottom portion of it, and it hooks into that back portion right into the typewriter, and then this just goes right on top and clasps down. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. Just flip it to the front and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top left. Works good. Ribbon reverse on the right side here. So right now all the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch that direction, you just flip that to the right and it'll start pulling to this side. And this model pulls from underneath. So right now it's going clockwise. Flip it this way, it'll go counterclockwise to the right. And that's the direction we want it. Carriage release on the right side only on this model. Very smooth. And this little lever here, if you flip it up, it'll disable the spacing when you turn the knob, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You flip it back and you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.